Welcome back to my channel. Campaigners in the United Kingdom have claimed that the Home Office is seeking to deport two women to Jamaica next week, despite neither of them having committed a criminal offense. The campaigners say this indicates a change in the UK government's approach to deportations to Jamaica, with chartered flights in recent years exclusively targeting Jamaicans with criminal convictions. The women who are being held at an immigration removal center, they are facing deportation next Wednesday after they were recently refused further leave to remain in the UK. Both are said to have lived in Britain for more than 7 years and have close relatives in the country. One is said to be on suicide watch in detention. The two women are thought to be the first Jamaicans to be targeted for removal solely due to immigration issues since the scandal.